Facebook.
Yeah.
Yep, had no idea we were not
Sometimes
live
the
on
old man
anything
goes.
else.
Sometimes when the old man goes, I just let him go.
Nope, never let me go. Nope. That's why all the moderators are supposed to let me know when all systems are a go. Thank you. Appreciate you. So anyway, we should now be going live on all the things. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. Let me know when those are up. I will wait. Yeah, and then Bruno, when you send me a message, I can't pull away from the screens I'm on, so I can't even read the message that you sent me. So it takes forever. So we can't have that delay. Just say, hey, you're not live on
YouTube.
anything.
What's up?
Thank you.
All right, what's up?
Thank you. Anyway, so all of you on TikTok got all that information, but nobody else did. Good deal. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Alex, for the first gift. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. We're standing by on all the things. There it goes. Looks like, yep, I'm starting to see things come up. Don't forget, 300 concurrent viewers on either of my TikToks. We're going to do a cash giveaway today. Absolutely. Stay safe in my Cybertruck. Yep, I will. Thank you. I have no fear of that. That's nobody clowns around me. That stuff, the 4 or 5 incidents you guys see, right, out of the 8 billion people on planet Earth, and you guys have seen 4 or 5 incidents, that's just not a thing. Just so you know. They want it to be a thing. That's not a thing. Nobody clowns in real life. They just don't. But thank you. I appreciate that. The media would love for that to continue to clown so that they can get some clickbaity stuff. But in real life, nobody's rolling up on your Cybertruck and saying things and doing stupid stuff. That's people are not doing that in real life. And do I look like the guy that you want to roll up on and say stupid shit to? Because I'm really not. Thank you, Wade. I appreciate that. Appreciate you. Can I trade in the vehicle and do I? Yeah, absolutely. Right? I've got my laptop in front of me. Let me show you guys. Right? So yeah, I can trade anywhere in the world. This is the beauty of American Dream Trading, right? You guys can trade anywhere in the world. You don't have to, be sitting one specific spot. If you have a phone, a tablet, a Chromebook, a laptop, an iPad, right? A Galaxy Tab, any phone device, anything, as long as you have internet access and you can access your brokerage account, you guys can trade from anywhere. Now listen, if you're going to do that, make sure you have a redundant system. Thank you, Erides. Meaning, if your internet goes down, you guys are able to have a backup system. I've got a bunch in here. So I'm running a Starlink up here for internet access. I've also got Verizon and a T-Mobile device. So I have 3 internet service providers inside of this vehicle every time. And I do the same thing at my house. So I have fiber at home, and then I use both of these mobile devices, Verizon and T-Mobile, as a backup system, right? So I could flip over off of my computer, boom, tell it to access the Wi-Fi, hotspot these, and I'll be back up in about a minute, give or take, right? Otherwise, you guys can have different services where you can have fail over, right? If it fails over on fiber, it'll immediately flip over. So there's lots of good things that you guys can do that, if you guys are in big trades and you're worried about the cost of a $60 cell phone service, come on. Let's start thinking about this a little bit. Think about it in a different way, right? I want you guys thinking of, you should always have a redundant system, all right? Yes, everybody's going to talk about all sorts of stuff. Order flow, orb, liquidities, gaps. Listen, gang, I've been doing this for 33 years. I've heard everybody. Orb is literally our 15-minute rule. We already have all these things in place, but now people are like learning about new words to use and the social media to sound important, and it's everything we're training you guys on. Everything we train you guys on is literally everything you're going to hear. They just say it a different way. That's it. Seriously. So anything you guys are, liquidity, supply and demand, guys, that's just support and resistance. There's no difference. You guys will see us running off the L2 and support and resistance. It's identical to supply and demand and liquidity. Okay? They're just calling it something else. It's identical. I need you to understand these things, right? It's all the same. You can call it anything you want. You can come up with all sorts of fancy terminology, but here at American Dream Trading, I try to use the KISS like I have with coaching and everything else. Keep it simple and stupid. Make it easy for all of us to understand and see and train with without us trying to get all cumbersome and different words and the technologies and the things, and we're trying not to do that. There's no reason for it. There's just no reason for it. I can train all of it, and I have. Obviously, we're the most profitable stock market trading community the world has ever seen. There's a reason for it. You guys don't hear me saying all these buzzwords, do you? Everybody in this room that's making money is from my training. Do you guys hear me saying any of this? Have you guys heard me say Fibonacci retracement? Have you guys heard that come out of my mouth?
No, sir.
No. And we're the most profitable trading community that's ever existed. If it made sense, we would use it. If it doesn't, we never will. Right? RSI, MACD, right? Bollinger Bands. We're not using any of them. If they made sense, we would use them. I've used them all. I have literally used them all. I've used the slow stochastic. I've used everything there is. I'm serious. If it made sense, we would use it. We don't. There's no reason to. Everything I have in place is because it makes sense, right? All right, good deal. Some of my moderators, Ange, that are starting to use things like our 2-minute EWO, right, are starting to fall in love with these things. I'm telling you, just try them out. See what they're like. You might be surprised at how accurate and how much easier they are to use than anything else. Am I right? Okay, I've been here, by the way, I've been in this hot seat for 2 years and 8 months. Thank you, Arlo, for getting me that information because I had no idea how long I've been doing this. I have been live every single day for 2 years and 8 months, answering hundreds of thousands of questions. I used to stream 16 hours a day, and I'm not exaggerating. I was in here from 4 o'clock in the morning to sometimes till 6, 7, 8 at night. I did that 7 days a week. I literally did that 7 days a week for the first year and a half. Right now we're 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. and I'm streaming 3 hours a day. But then we're in the afternoon, right? So we're streaming 3 times a day. It's just not me all day, every day. I don't need to do that anymore, right? Luckily, I've got some amazing staff that I've trained up. They know what they're doing. We're all talking about the same things. So, but it's amazing. So speaking of that, we are live every single day from 9 to 11. I'm here talking about stocks and options. Sometimes you will hear me and talk about futures. This is not the futures time. So we will not be discussing futures in this room, just so you guys know, at all. We're not answering questions. We're not helping you with futures. That's not what this part is in this room, at least. But if I'm talking about it live, you can ask me, but this is not for futures. I'm just giving you guys a glimpse and showing you what it is. If you guys want futures training, go get the futures membership. If you want to know about crypto, go get the crypto membership. You want to know about stocks and options, premium VIP and VIP gold memberships. Make sense? Great. Appreciate that. Now listen, here at American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Do not use real money while you guys are in training. I don't want anybody to blow up your accounts. That's not what we're here to do. I want to train and educate you guys to not become a call-out chaser, but to actually become a stock market trader. That's what I will train and educate you guys on every single day. Thank you for all those double taps. Thank you for those shares, those likes, follows, everybody that's watching me on Zoom. Appreciate that. A couple rules. We got 2.5 minutes. Couple rules that we need to live by, right? Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, take a month off. Make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade. We are trying to protect your assets while growing your portfolio. I don't care. You must have a stop on crypto, options, futures, and shares. Doesn't matter. Put them on there. I don't care what these little fake gurus that have no experience at all and have not trained 1 million people. Don't listen. Stops, everything. It will save your butt. That doesn't mean have so tight a stop that every time you enter a trade, stop. That's not what I'm saying. But it will protect you from news, knife drops, bad things, I'm telling you, from doing this for 33 years, longer than everybody that you guys see on every other platform. I've been literally trading longer than they've been alive. Don't put your stop in. That's it. Listen to the old man. I've been around. I've been doing this for a very long time. Make sure you do that. Make sure you guys have small position sizes. This will allow them to run. This will also not go against you so bad that will blow up your account. Okay, small position sizes. Right? Base hits. Don't go for home runs. They can turn into home runs, but that's not what you're doing out of the gate. Nice small position sizes. Make sure you guys are only entering when you are re-adding and entering more in. It's only when it's going with you. Never dollar cost average or add into losing trades. You will just end up losing more. Don't do that. I don't care what these little kids are telling you. Never do that, all right? Make sure you guys journal every day. I literally keep a journal next to me. Even in my truck, every day, journal, 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 journal. I can't stress that enough. You want to become a great trader? Journal every single day. Now notice, all of my rules that I put in place had nothing to do with making money. It was only to protect your accounts. I hope you guys understand that, right? You worked hard for your money. Protect your accounts at all costs. Don't blow up your accounts. And again, if you guys are interested in any of our products and services, go to americandreamtrading.com. Bell's going to ring in 20 seconds. We're going to have an amazing day. Tomorrow, I'm running crazy sales. If you guys are looking at getting a lifetime membership, hold off till tomorrow. If it's going to be a VIP, VIP Gold, and Diamond, I got massive, massive sales coming tomorrow. Get ready to go. All right, here we go. Keep the call outs clear and concise. Nobody leave your mics open. Get in, get out. Same with your trading. If you guys are scalping, get in, get green, get out. Follow all these rules. They're different for every strategy you have. Let's rock and roll. Watching SPY right here. Apple starting to take off to the upside. Apple starting to make a nice move to the upside. Apple is already in a 2-minute EWO right now, and it is going to be in a 6-star trade after you guys allow this to get those first 2 indicators. Don't be foolish in trying to chase this stuff. Remember, the first 3 minutes and the last 8 to 9 minutes of the day, those are the most volatile. Oh, by the way, if you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. That was my last rule. Thank you. Be careful. Be careful. We want to help protect you here. All right, let's see what's crack-a-lackin'. Tesla, by the way, is down 5% today. It has been topsy-turvy over there. If you can't stomach the swings, don't trade it at all. Apple still continuing to climb. SPY right here still down. Qs are down. That's QQQ. Those are still down. ES futures, of course, following SPY. It's the same thing. Still down. Tesla is down big time. Amazon down 2.5%. Oh, don't forget, and I told you guys last week, I told you tariffs are coming tomorrow, or I'm sorry, Wednesday, the 2nd. And I told you guys the closer we got to the weekend, didn't I say everybody'd start freaking out? Didn't I say that? Here we are. I told you, everybody got, you knew, you already knew it was coming, right? Good. Microsoft down 2%. So the whole Mag 7 is down. SoFi down 4%. Bank of America down 1%.
Microsoft is mad at you lower there as well as Google.
Thank you. Dominion Energy. All I'm doing is I'm looking through some different sectors. Just looking through.
Qs are dumping hard.
Are they? Okay, thank you. Carnival Cruise Lines. So I'm looking at now leisure down 4.6%. Yeah, Qs are tanking here. Same with SPY. I'm just looking around the room, seeing what's going on. Everybody should be in all these 2-minute EWOs or getting ready to in 45 seconds. Q's crashing out. Same with SPY. Lots of money to be made over there. Tesla, same thing. Who's making money on that?
Yeah.
Yes. Still pulling. All right, let's see what we got here. Good job.
I mean, this is a dumpster fire right now.
Yes, it is. Take advantage, everybody, right?
SPY double bottom.
Oh, good call out. Is that from previous day low? What's the double bottom? Anybody?
Pre-market.
Thank you. Nice. I see Apple pulling back. SPY getting a bounce on that double bottom around 243.50.
Two of our hot stocks are suspended.
To the upside.
Both of them stopped on the downside.
All right, then we won't have to worry about them unless they make new high a day. Thank you. Only when they're upside, unless you guys are shorting them, which most people are not shorting the hot stock picks, right? Thank you. Let's take a peek here. SPY still off that bounce. Still extremely heavy. Very heavy.
MLGO is going up again.
Thank you. Previous hot stock pick, MLGO to the upside. Did I catch that right?
Yep.
Thank you. SPY bounced on that double bottom. A lot of volume here. Remember, very volatile in the very beginning, okay? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I meant Tesla if I said SPY. Tesla bounced on 243.50. My bad. Thank you, Shane. Yeah, I was talking about Tesla on that bounce. 243.50. Thank you. There we go. SPY just SPY touching the 9. ES futures. Double bottom bounce. Great call out on that double bottom bounce. Who nailed that?
That was me, coach.
Good job. It's like a cheat code, isn't it?
Order
It
filled.
bounced and went to type VWAP and then retraced back. It's so textbook, coach.
Yes, it is. Waiting to see what it wants to do right here. It's looking heavy. Looking to see if we get a pullback on SPY here now. There it goes.
Order filled.
Heading in. Nice pullback. Beautiful. Oh, this is nice. Oh, yeah. Anybody get that SPY pullback off that 9 textbook trade? Glorious.
I think.
Yeah, that was nice.
Order filled.
Took 1,000 right there. Off the 9. I added in when it was in my favor. Looking good. Coming back down to this double bottom again. Double bottom now on SPY. Be careful. This was previous support, but it came back awful fast. I'm waiting to see if it breaks. Very heavy here. Still waiting. I'm not touching that. This is support, right, gang? Waiting to see if we can break this to get this new low. If we do, I'll short it. Otherwise, that's support. Yes?
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. So don't be getting all excited and crazy and, oh, downside. Not yet, right? At least this exact spot. We need to now be patient. There it is. It touched the 9 again.
Order filled.
Touched the 9 and pulled back. Do you guys see it? Just did it. It just did it again. Bouncing off the support level.
Order filled.
Bouncing off support. Looking to see if we get that pullback again off the 9.
Order filled.
Hammered it. Nice. Yes.
Coach, I think I found a runner. MYSZ. My size. MYSZ.
Order filled.
Thank
Yep.
you. Thank you. Just made $2,000.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just made $353. I'm up $3,353 this morning.
Order filled. Order filled.
Scalping 9 off the bottom. Now I'm up $3,500 for this morning. Market's been open 10 minutes. Still shorting SPY here. I'm completely out of all entries, waiting for my next entry. I'm wanting to see if I'm going to get a bounce on this baby micro double bottom. Everybody see this baby micro double bottom? Okay, good. I'm not touching this level. Apple getting a nice bounce now at 217.30. Tesla still to the downside. Same with the Qs, SPY, and ES futures.
Google, new low of day.
Google, new low of day. Thank you. Glorious.
Meta new low.
Thank you. Glorious over here on SPY. Who is just super printing this thing?
I'm with you, Coach.
Thank you.
Me too, Coach.
Thank you. I told you.
Double bottom front.
Told you guys.
Back.
Told you guys the closer we got to the second, the closer we got to those tariffs, right? The more scared people are going to get. Take advantage of the fear, right?
Order filled.
Take advantage of this fear.
I got my wheelbarrow ready.
Yes. Today is an account changing day. Enjoy it. You worked hard for it. Look at SPY. It's glorious.
Order filled.
Just made another 100. Moved my stop. I was up 300, but I moved my stop to protect the trade, and it popped back up. It happens. Looks like after fees and what I actually got, I'm up $3,531 this morning. It's been 12 minutes. Who else would like to make $3,500 in 12 minutes?
Sign me up, Coach.
Thank
Where
you.
do I sign?
Thank you. You're already here, American Dream Trading. Thank you for being here.
You done all that off the spot?
Yes.
Thank
Yep. Everybody that's watching, I apologize that my screen's not being shared for you guys over on TikTok. We're having a desktop issue. Listen, if you guys want to see my screen, go to YouTube. Just go over to YouTube. You guys can see my screen. Yeah, unfortunately, right now we've been trying to fix it for a week. There's some bug. This is why I'm streaming to you guys live off of these mobile devices instead of what you guys can see. So I apologize. You wouldn't be seeing all this. Yes, you guys should all be making unlimited buckets right now. Wait, somebody said YouTube is laggy or something. Is that true? Shouldn't be laggy at all. There it goes. Yeah, somebody said, "Hey, coach, go."
Order filled.
Now I'm second guessing it, but I tell you what, hey, can we take a look at hot stock NWTG? It looks like it's trying to move to the upside, but it's fighting VWAP right now.
We'll take
MYSZ, is that what you're saying?
November Whiskey Tango Golf.
Order filled.
Yeah, second guess of mine right there. That's what I was thinking.
NW. No, you're talking about NWTG. Yeah, it's a no-go here. Wait till the break of VWAP. You can clearly see it's set up. Wait till, what is this, $2.10 before you go looking to get back in there. You can see tons of traffic over there at that level. Everybody else, you should be super hammering the life out of SPY, making more money than you've literally ever seen in your life, right? Thank you.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm now up $3,819. You guys, you should be making more money than you've ever seen before. Who's making more money than you've ever seen before? SPY or puts? What are you guys doing right now? What are you guys doing? Talk to me. Hello?
Making money, coach.
Yeah.
C'est magnifique.
Yes, you guys should be rich as hell right now. Rich as hell right now.
Ordered a second pickup from Briggs truck. The other one got full.
Thank you. You hear that? We got one truck is full. We're ordering another. Thank you, sir. Might have another.
Mark's going to have a 50K day today, Coach. Watch.
Well, that'd be nice.
70,000 on SPY.
What's that on SPY?
70.
I missed it. What's 70? That's how much you made?
Yeah.
70,000?
Yep.
Thank you. How's that feel?
Feels good.
Feels real nice. You guys hear that? One of our members has made $70,000 so far on SPY.
And I'm still driving a truck.
You guys know what I always say, right? Making money while you're making money, baby. Woo! That's glorious. Glorious.
Be a for sale sign on that truck before long.
Yeah, really. I mean, you could almost pay the entire truck off at 7. Do that again, you'd probably pay for the whole truck, right? To own it and...
I wouldn't own the truck. I just drop it off.
There you go. Let somebody else deal with the headaches, right?
That comes in December. That's when I quit.
Oh, good for you, man. Let me know when you do. We'll have another person retired.
Trucking ain't what it used to be.
No.
It's Greg. Today's my first day. I'm only taking small contracts, man. Just 1, 2 contracts, but I'm up $150 on a day, and it's my first day today with you.
Great job, Greg. Great job. Mark, that's who you introduced this morning, remember?
Yes, sir.
He's already made $150. By the way, his his membership costed $125. He's already paid for the entire... It's been 18 minutes. He's already paid for the entire month.
Damn, Greg. Way to go,
Woo!
buddy.
Yeah!
Welcome to the family.
Thank you. I'm excited.
That's awesome.
Order filled.
It's glorious.
Congratulations, but let's please try to stay specific calls for the first half hour.
Thank you. Great job, Greg. Love it. Membership paid for in the first 18 minutes that he joined. Boom! Put up! American Dream. We're gonna get in trouble. We're gonna get canceled. You're gonna get canceled. You know it.
By Richard.
Yep, Richard. He's gonna cancel us. Cancel. Spy right here, setting up again, consolidating.
Billy
Coach,
Mack.
good morning.
Good morning.
Hold on 1 second, Noonie. Billy Mack, do you have an emergency?
Oh,
Just
go.
put your hand up.
Go.
No, never
No,
mind.
sorry. There was no emergency. But just a quick question. Is anyone else, Coach, maybe have you noticed that on the 0-day options, there's no 549 or 548 strike?
That could be because that might not have got that far. Sometimes when it's so far away, there's just nobody there yet. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
I just want to make sure.
Yep.
I want to make sure that I was.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Noone, go.
Noonie, go.
Yeah, previously has stock peak PL, the MLGO is moving up. It's $21 now.
Noonie, I love when we get you on the mic and we get you all nervous.
Thank you. Yeah, always.
I love it. Love your face.
Thank you. Thank you, Coach.
Order filled.
Oh, this is nice. Look at that pullback off the 9. You guys see that pullback off the 9 on SPY?
MLGO to the upside.
Which one?
MLGO.
Order filled.
Oh, ML. Previous hot. Sorry, we can barely hear you, partner. Previous hot stock pick, MLGO. Everybody hear that? SPY teetering right here. How we doing, gang? Everybody making money today, right?
Who's sharing the screen, Coach? That's not SPY on the screen.
Oh, sorry. Well, SPY's on the bottom right. Thank you. SPY got a pop off of this 540, basically 547 level. SPY now up on the 21, starting a lot of volume to the upside on SPY. Somebody's on the news, am I right?
Order filled.
EMI report was good.
Oh my gosh, Coach, again, my first day, I just caught this pump on SPY. I'm up $350 on the day.
Nice. And there you go. VIP membership's about to be paid for. He just joined. SPY ripping to the upside, gang. Nice bounce. Back up to VWAP. Love it. Yeah, it's just glorious. After 10 o'clock, we'll get to everybody. Profits, all that stuff. Greg, we usually wait till 10 o'clock, but I'm very excited for you. Love it. After 10 o'clock, we'll ask. Good job. SPY still above the 21. Fighting here.
Trend is still down, correct?
Yes, but I mean, We're getting a lot of upside. This spot right here is going to determine everything. This spot right here is everything.
Order filled.
I just shorted it. I'm waiting with a stop above previous candle wick. Too large. Oh yeah. Oh boy.
Order filled.
Ooh, that one gets me. Woo
Watch
wee.
your indicators, y'all. Watch your indicators.
Yeah, everybody be cool. We're coming up on this VWAP area, big level. Let me flip this.
Coach, do you have an Apple? Are you in on Apple? You looks
Nope.
like you are.
Nope, I'm not. Oh, that's you know what? That's because that's just off my cash account. It has a when you guys use my affiliate account, it just gives me free shares, just like you guys get. So those are the free shares that are sitting there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Watch your EWO. Watch your EWO.
Yeah, now listen, if this breaks above and holds VWAP, we're clear for upside. Breaks and hold VWAP, that'll be a full trend reversal, but it's not there yet, okay? Somebody said data came out positive. I missed that.
Yeah, PMI.
Thank you.
Chicago PMI.
No, I got you. Okay. Yeah, that's nothing.
Just a knee jerk.
Yeah. Chicago. Waiting to see if we get a pullback of VWAP here, a range here.
I made a shift change.
Thank you. Still a lot of upside momentum, but this is a big spot here, gang. I'm telling you, massive spot. A lot of momentum upside.
Order filled.
A lot of momentum upside. Just longed it, by the way. Above VWAP. Yes. Glorious.
Watch your implicit doors.
Oh, this is glorious. This is a nice trade.
Order filled.
Taking it right here at the 200. $2,000 trade. Oh, it breaks that 200. That breaks this 200 MA. I'm going to long it again.
Order filled.
I'm in it with a stop below the 200. A lot of upside momentum. 2-minute EWO. What are we on? Let me look. We're not there yet on the 2-minute EWO, but I'm scalping the crap out of this. Remember, I've got my stop below 2 candles previous to that, below the body, waiting for the momentum to see if we get the pop on the 200. There we go. That's nice. Look at this. Who's in that long with me?
Look for that break and hold.
That is nice. Good job. That was nice. I should have. Oh man, it was up 1,500. I didn't take it. I still love it above the 200, but I should have took that. Not got greedy. Went in a little smaller. Pop it again. This is nice. Make sure you guys are moving your stops, protecting your trades. It's got pushed down twice, but it's staying above the 200. Did you guys notice that?
Order filled.
I added. Still have my stop below the 200. Ooh, I didn't like that pullback. Did not like, did you guys see how quick that turned?
Order filled.
I'm getting out of that. Yep, I'm getting out of that. I'm shorting.
Order filled.
Flip the script.
Order filled.
Oh, why did that do that? That should not have done that. What in the
Stars
world?
One of those crazy stocks. It'll just go low of day and then boom, right up to high of day and then back down to low.
Yeah,
It's
for
one of the crazy one.
it is. Remember, I call it like a clock, right? It'll strike 12 a bunch of times, right? It'll just keep circling and circling and circling.
Less than 1 minute to shift change.
Thank you. How we doing, everybody that's watching on TikTok? You guys doing all right? Everybody making some money today, I hope. TikTok, you don't stop. Did you guys see why I flipped that? Did you guys see why I flipped that script so fast? What, as soon as that got really heavy off that candle up on that top?
He had never broken hold above the 200.
Yep. It got real squirrely up there. So there was a quick pop to make money, and then as soon as it pulled really hard, I just scooped it up to the downside. And now we're getting this bounce again off the 9 and the 21.
5 seconds, coach.
Thank you. Here we go. Volume. Volume coming in, gang. $1,700 for the day. Good job. Good job. Love that. Love to see it. Oh, nice volume to the upside here.
Order filled.
That popped off that 9 and is running. Now this is where it ran into trouble earlier, right in that same spot, remember? I'm long here.
Order filled.
Added in. Oh yeah, this is a nice trade. Oh, these are, wow, look at the volume, gang. Huh? Look at this thing dance, right? Oh, yeah. Who's in that long with me?
I am, coach.
Thank you.
Order filled.
Just
Careful, we had a lot of traffic at 550, 120 in the
I see it.
So you can catch it like a bunch of time.
Right here, this is a major resistance area. That's why I just took it. I just made 3,500 on that trade, though, by the way. Right here, major resistance level. Look at the pre-market right here. Everybody see it? Being very cool and cautious here. If it breaks this, I'll go back in it.
You got second 2-minute green on spot.
Oh, thank you. 2-minute EWO was flagged. Thank you. I'd wait till we break this hump, though, this 551. It's glorious.
Order filled.
Two-minute EWO has been flagged to the upside. We are at this 551 critical area. Be careful. A lot of traffic at 551, gang, right? Putting in my stop. 551 resistance. Got my stop in place. Don't want to give back all these gains. It'll take a K if
Order filled.
just lost 1,000 off that trade, but I went in smaller off that damn 551 resistance, right?
Order filled.
I think a member pointed that out, Coach.
Yes, they did. Good job. Everybody's paying attention. Good job. It's funny.
Laser focus.
Yeah, you'd be surprised that the training really works, right? Crazy how that actually happens.
Order filled.
Not surprised. It works every day.
Mark.
Order filled.
Bouncing on this 9. Looking for a nice bounce off this 9 here. There it goes. I'm on ES right here, by the way. Not on SPY, so if it looks different than what you guys see. Oh, it's pretty close. You guys are on the 9 on SPY too. Nice bounce. Come on, keep going. See what you got. Thank you, everybody, for being here, by the way. It is a 10:05. Everybody do me a favor. Open up your mics. Has anybody made any money yet today? Let the world know.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Thank you.
Day and I made money.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I did.
Thank you.
Still waiting on confirmation on Apple.
Thank you. Good job, everybody.
Enough to get a biscuit.
Good job. One of our members made $70,000. Do you show us how to trade on here? Yes, Nick. If you go over to YouTube, you'll see everything. Right now, because we're having an issue with the TikTok desktop. So you guys are getting the mobile stream. If you guys are paid members, you see everything we're doing the whole time. SPY, beautiful off this 9 though, right? Glorious.
Order filled.
Just add it in. Oh yeah. Oh my. So nice. Fighting that same level, that 551 on SPY level. It's fighting hard to get past that, isn't it, gang?
It's gonna do it.
Order filled.
I'm going to take the 1,000 here and go smaller and let it run.
Order filled.
A minute. I took the heavy off, went in light. That way I can let it run. What do I always say? Small position sizes, right, everybody?
Dabble do ya.
That's right. Little dabble do ya. You guys can pick up your VO5 over at the merch store. Good job. SPY is still respecting the 9. 551 is everything for SPY. It's a gold level.
Is getting narrower and narrower too.
Yep. It's a gold level on SPY.
551.
551 is a gold level on SPY. Getting a nice pop here. I will not add until I see this get... Oh, that's a good candle.
Order filled.
Added. Get up there. Nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Yep.
That much drop area?
Yep. Respecting the hell out of that
Order filled.
9. I'll take the 500. Look at that. Respect. Yes. Gang, who's in this?
Order filled.
Yep. NVIDIA, same thing.
Nice.
All big 7 are pushing to the upside right now.
Love it.
All of them.
Love it.
Order filled.
How about this? We made all that money going down. Then we made all that money going back up as soon as it broke and held above VWAP, right?
I caught Meta on a call. It was risky, but I just printed like 240.
Oh, nice job. As long as you have that stop in place, right? You know what your risks are at the time of entry, right?
Oh, for sure.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great job. Remember, the risk is only as much as you allow it with your stops. So everybody, trade the trade, baby. Good job. Good job. A lot of momentum on SPY here. Full reversal. 2-minute EWO. I told you guys when that was in effect. Still running. SPY is in a 6-star trade to the upside now on an EWO. When it just hit all those new lows in the day. That's how fast these things can turn around. This is why you don't have a bias. We don't trade a bias. I don't care what you think the market's going to do today. Right? You trade the trades. I say it every freaking day. Am I right? Check that.
Keep repeating it, Coach. Helps so much. Thank
Yes. Keep that bias crap at the door. Oh, I think it's going to do. No. Nuh-uh. Watch the chart.
Quick question, Coach.
Go ahead.
On PLTR,
Yes.
it has been going up for quite a few minutes.
Yeah, I see it.
Is it too late to ever get in? Like, when do you know when to get into that?
Let me look. I mean, a better setup on this, if you're waiting now for a scalp, wait for it to pull back to the 9. See it? Since it keeps respecting it, you can see it's every time it's touched here, 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 tried to here. I would wait till it comes back to the 9 before I would get in it at this point. And then I'd have my stop just below the 9. It's not coming to the 21, so I don't want to pay for it to come to the 21. It's been respecting the 9 the whole way. So I will buy it at the 9, stop below the 9, and let it run, and then start manipulating the stop, right?
Perfect.
Yep,
Thank
yep.
you.
A lot of times I'll tell you guys, hey, the 21 is, this one is the backbone. It's not. This one is the 9. So, and just like that, if it breaks your 9, breaks your stop, look for the pullback to the 21 for a re-entry, right? Because there's a huge gap between this 9 and the 21 right here, a massive gap. I'm not paying for that stop from that 9 to the 21. If they were really close, I could do the 21 as a stop. But these are really far away. This is a huge area for me, right? That's the only reason why on that. Because my 21 is my end-all be-all, by the way. SPY pulling back.
Order filled.
SPY had that nice double top pullback. Did anybody get in on that while I was training? Anybody? Bueller?
Order filled.
Bueller?
The sound of making money.
Thank you. I know.
Welcome to our 2 brand new members, Kelly and Matt. Please make sure you link your Discords to your account, and welcome to American Dream Trading.
Nice. Thank you. Welcome, Kelly and Matt. Welcome. Good to have you here. Thank you. Thank you. Rolling out the red carpet for Kelly and Matt. And Greg this morning, brand new. Good morning. Watching to see now if we're going to get this bounce off the 9. Still a lot of upside momentum. You can see Tesla also had a nice rebound at 243.50. It's starting to pull back pretty heavily now over there on Tesla. Oh, there goes SPY. I was watching Tesla and SPY did the same thing. Oh, look at this thing bleed. So now we rode it down, up to double top, and now we're riding it down again, right? You gotta love it. Not a ton of room here. VWAP's right underneath this.
Order filled.
It's real tight right here. I longed it on a quick move.
Order filled.
Take it, 375 bucks. Now, out of all my ridiculousness and up and down and over trading, I'm only up 2,970 bucks. So, up and down and around, just over trading. Listen, when you guys make that good amount of money, just stop. Literally just stop for the day, right? Shut it down. No reason to keep trading. Oh, this is nice above the 9 now. That 21 was the backbone on SPY. Did you guys catch that?
Apple finally broke the upper channel to the upside.
Thank you.
Tesla first 5-minute red candle to the downside here.
Thank you. SPY bounced off the 21. Looking for upward momentum now to the upside. There it goes.
Order filled.
Take it, $600.
Apple height of late.
Thank you. Apple is still in that. That's a 6-star trade over there on Apple 2-minute EWO, right? Yes, it is. They had to break that 218 to make a nice move. It was channeling for a long time at 218. That was a tough one today. If you guys are struggling in the Apple area, I get it. That one was tough. It's just been sideways, right? Nobody wants to trade sideways.
Order filled.
Remember, SPY is using this 21
Order filled.
as its backbone. If it breaks that, it's going to go downside. Now, right here was previous support.
Here goes Tesla.
Thank you. Yeah, like I said, that's really heavy over there.
Order filled.
Looking for a flush right here on SPY, at least to V. Well, there it goes.
Order filled.
Just took it, and I met my quota for the day, 4,317. Done. I grabbed that quick contracts to the downside off the 21 where it was bleeding heavy. Saw the market bleeding out. I knew I was going to get from the 21 to VWAP on a bigger trade with a tighter stop. Manhattan Trader, yes, I'm in a Cybertruck. Sometimes I like to trade in my vehicles, right? I did it.
Tesla is back to VWAP. Look at that thing.
Thank you. I did it almost all last week. Yeah, Tesla's super heavy here. Let me flip my screen now that I'm done trading. Let me check out Tesla. Yeah, Tesla all the way to VWAP. Super heavy. Anybody in those Tesla puts, man, that thing was heavy, heavy. I called that earlier, right? I said that looks super heavy over here. Oh, nice. KB Love says, I've been watching for a long time, but today inspired me to make the move and sign up. Can't wait. Yep, absolutely. Remember, if you guys are looking to sign up, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, scroll down, or just click pricing. You guys can sign up. We've got the premium, VIP, and VIP Gold, I believe, on the website you guys can grab. Highly recommend starting with a VIP. I can't stress that enough. Just come in, get the maximum training you can, right? Just start right out of the gate. Speed up the process. There's no reason to like lag behind and wait and drag it out. Just get right in, get started, right? Don't trade with real money. Invest the money in the training, whether it's with us or somebody else. But seriously, get the training before you use live money, okay? Nobody should be trading with live money. Says somebody over checking out the vehicle. Don't get that all the time. You see him? You guys will see him behind me. Watch. Oh, he took off. He was running around the vehicle checking it out. Gave me the thumbs up on the way out. Love it. All right, Tesla VWAP right here. This is support. This is where you guys collect if you guys were in those Tesla puts. And if it collapses again, you guys can add more to it, okay? Yeah, Manhattan. That's the Starlink Mini connected inside of the Cybertruck. That's pretty cool, right? And it's powering everything. By the way, look. I've got everything running next to me. You guys just can't see it all. You see this? So these are my indicators, right? This is the mobile command center, like literally. It sits right in my cup holder. It's sitting right next to me. This is how I used to set up all the police departments, right? Just like this. And then I've got this. So this is in my lap. This is what I'm actually trading on. And it's doing all my Zoom. So everybody in Zoom, you guys want to say hi to everybody? You guys are staring at each other.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning. It's 10:20 Eastern Time, March of 31.
Thank you. Thank you. I love it when you do that, Mark, by the way. So they know it's not like me hitting a button. I love that. You see how Mark knows that, by the way? He knows that when you say that, right? It's not like I hit a button recording like live audio.
You need some signs on the side of your truck when you're trading there. It says ADT Mobile Command Center.
Exactly. Jill says, why, hold on. Jill says, why do this in your car? Just because I like getting out of the house every now and then. Absolutely. I mean, I have a nice house with a giant home office, but I just like getting out. I mean, I'm literally in my shorts right now. It's nice out. It's beautiful.
Because not everybody that sits in an office makes money, right, Coach?
Yeah, exactly.
You can sit in your car, make tons of money.
That's right. Yeah, I can do this from anywhere. Absolutely.
If you get trained right, you can do it from anywhere.
That's right.
We had a member take his wife to Paris, remember?
Yes.
His goal was to sit under the Eiffel Tower and trade, and he made like, what, $12,000 sitting under the Eiffel Tower?
Yeah, said all the trip, everything was paid for, and he got the next trip planned. Paid for trading live, yeah, at the Eiffel Tower. Yep. Oh, we're doing a giveaway, $1,000 giveaway. Who wants, everybody that's watching live, type in a 1 if you guys want to enter that $1,000 giveaway we're doing right now. Type in a 1. I see them. Moderators, do me a favor. Post the link right now to our $1,000 giveaway over on TikTok. They're blowing them up. Make sure you've posted them over on LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, but everybody right now wants it over on TikTok. Post it and pin it, please. $1,000 giveaway going on. Everybody that's in Zoom, we will post it right now in the Zoom chat. Who in the Zoom is interested in our $1,000 giveaway? We're running it right now. Everybody, including our moderators, can enter. The system will randomly generate this for you. Everybody can enter. I'm putting it in the chat right now. It's also in all of every channel we have on Discord. You guys scroll in there, you will see it. Nice. I just posted it. You guys see me just post the link over on Zoom? Can you guys pin that? Nope. There it is. Did everybody click it? Everybody in Zoom, click that
Yes,
link.
Coach.
Thank you. Click that link. Remember, the more of those entries you have, the better your odds to get that $1,000. Moderators are saying they don't see it on TikTok yet. Did you guys post it on my TikToks, the lives? $1,000 giveaway. Anybody? Anybody? Do we have a moderator on my TikToks?
Got mine, Coach.
Anybody? Bueller? I don't know where my moderators are. Okay, hold on. Let me.
We're here. It won't let me pin it for some reason.
Coach, I wasn't in the Zoom. It won't let me pin it, but I'm posting it regularly.
Oh, good. Okay. Can you guys all see it?
Yeah, mine didn't work either.
That's weird. Yeah, mine's not even letting me. Mine isn't even letting me type.
Miranda has to do
I think I posted it, Coach. In
Yeah.
the chat on TikTok.
Thank you. For some reason, mine isn't even letting me post. Like, I can't even post in the stuff on the bottom. I don't know why. This is weird.
Can you see in the chat, Coach, where the link is coming up?
I can't because I can't even get to that spot on my TikTok. This is weird. Either one, it's not letting me type down there. Normally I can type back to you guys. It's not letting me. Weird.
Might need to refresh the page, but that'd be dangerous at this point.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah, it'll kill it. Oh, well. All right. Did you guys...
Yeah,
hopefully you guys all see it.
I'm posting it every few times someone's typing a 1, so.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, but you guys can see it, right? Everybody can see it. KB Love says no link on ADT Coach. Did you guys all see it? No link, says Jeff Freeds. No. Why is it not coming up?
I'm in the other.
We
TikTok
can't
group.
see any too. Everybody's saying no one can see it on any TikTok. This is weird. Oh, let's see. Comment. Hold on.
I can see both TikToks.
I don't know why it's doing this. Give me a minute. Let me see if I can. I have no idea why it's not working at all.
Coach, I wasn't on the ADT one. I was only on the other one, so I'm posting it in that one now.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's... Is it being flagged? Did it show up? Let me know when you post it. I'll see if I can see it.
It's up.
I don't see it. On ADT Coach?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't see it. Is that being flagged? Is it being flagged out? Does anybody see it? Nobody sees these. Does anybody see these?
Nope, I don't either.
No, I don't see it at all. It's not going out.
I don't see anything anywhere either.
Nope. Moderators, I think it's being flagged. Can you guys check the settings? I think it's flagging it because it's a link, thinking you guys are probably spamming it or something, right? Like it's something.
Yeah, but if it's coming directly from your account, I just did it now. It should have popped up.
Nope, it's not on anything.
Yeah, because I just posted it. Did you see mine?
Nope. Yeah, it's not showing up. Something is...
I posted it like 5 times.
Yep, that's all right. It's being flagged. It's being filtered out. We'll have to figure it out. Okay, listen. If you guys can't see it, listen, if you want to enter, it's a $1,000 giveaway. Go over on X. I'm at ADT Coach. At ADT Coach. You guys will see it. If you're on my Discord, which is free, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, join the free Discord. It's on all the channels. It's a $1,000 giveaway. Don't miss this. I'm telling you, don't miss this opportunity. This is for everybody in here, everybody that's in Zoom, everybody that's watching for free, everybody that's in every membership, everybody that's in the free memberships. Every one of you can get in this. Unless you don't want $1,000, and then don't worry about it, because $1,000 is nothing to you because you're a You're the richest person on earth and you hate money.
I was able to comment on all of them, so I don't know.
Thank you. Nice. Yeah, if you guys go to @ADTCoach, you'll see all of them are being posted now on X. See them all?
Yeah.
Thank you. Get over there. Get it
I
done.
just commented on it. You should be able to see me.
There it is. Awesome. But anyways.
He said you need to put it in your bio.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a great idea, actually. We could do that while I'm running the giveaway. I just don't want it to look like spam. I'm afraid they'll think it's a fake account, you know what I mean? Yes, you can enter even if you're not a member. Yes. Post it.
I'd like to welcome another new member.
Ooh.
He came from YouTube.
Talk to me.
Texas Hub.
Hey.
Welcome to American Dream Trading.
Yes. Is he in here?
By the way, Coach, the market is starting to pull again.
Yep, I see it.
I'm in here.
Nice. Welcome.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate that.
Yes, absolutely. Good to have you here.
Found you on TikTok. Been watching for a while. Just signed up today for the 125 level. I appreciate it.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you being here. Now, listen, everybody that's signing up today, tomorrow I've got some huge sales with payment plans. We got all sorts of stuff coming tomorrow on April Fool's Day, no less. So get ready. Tomorrow we're going to get turned. It's about to get crazy. Where do we enter on Discord? Go to the Stock Lounge and you will see it. Over in the Stock Lounge, I'll post the link right now. Remember, over on my Discord, we will not friend request you. We will not direct message you. We will not reach out to you. None of those are us. Nobody be scammed. Got it? Ever. We do not message anybody. You're not even allowed to direct message on my Discord server. You will be banned. There's the link. I just posted it. It says ADT Coach. It's a gleam.io/FEFUU, just so you guys know that that is my legitimate link from me only. Thank you. We'll also have it, Bruno, in the, what is it like? We have a giveaway promo channel. We got something for it?
It's already there. It's already there, Coach.
Thank you. And where's the channel? What's it called?
It's called Offers and Promos.
There you go. Offers and promos, everybody. You'll see it listed there, okay? Good job.
Looks like volume's moving in, Coach.
Yep, I see it. Spy got a bounce off VWAP.
Shout out to Texas HUD for just signing up and already being on a Zoom call. Good job.
Yeah, that was fast. Good job, Texas.
ADD is a powerful tool.
Thank you, man. You just jumped right in. I love it. Love it, love it. Nice.
Welcome to the family.
Nice bounce off of Spy. Did everybody see that VWAP bounce off of Spy? Yeah, we don't know why.
Make sure you pre-order your Brinks truck via your favorite color. Sell out quick.
There you go.
I'm in the bounce off spot.
Oh, good job. Yeah, you guys don't have to worry about spamming nothing on the TikToks because the link's not even showing up. So don't even worry about doing all that. It's not even showing up. Who got on that Spy VWAP bounce? That's beautiful. Textbook.
I did. I'm learning.
Isn't it great when you see it now, though, right?
Oh, it's freaking awesome.
It's like a ping pong, right?
Been
It's
here a long time.
nice.
Been here a long time. Finally figuring it out.
Nice. Good job. Hey, it's different for everybody, right? It's different for, it's all on your time, your own time. Everybody's different. Has anybody heard from Palm today? Is he making a gazillion dollars? The guy's going crazy.
Hey, Coach, I'm sorry. ICCT?
Yes.
Hot stock ICCT to the upside.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, wow. Hot stock pick. Yeah, and I had it on my screen in the very beginning. ICCT. Rocket ship.
It was kind of flat this morning. That's probably why you turned off of it.
Yep.
We rode up 178% this morning in the pre-market on that one.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. That's glorious. By the way, we have almost 400 members in our Zoom right now. Right, if you guys want to join us, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys can immediately get right into our Zoom. You can ask questions. You can see what we're doing. You can start to get training and trading right away. Thank you again for being here. By the way, if this is your first time, my name is Chad, aka The Coach. I've been trading in the stock market now for 33 years. We have been live every single day for 2 years and 8 months. We are the largest and fastest stock market education community in the country. Thank you.
Double topping and spot, Coach.
Thank you. And by the way, we are a top-rated community. 5 stars across the board. Thank you. You guys are all the GOATs. You guys are all here. But we are a top-rated sales and service out of 66,000 companies inside of our marketplace. Just so you guys know where American Dream stands, by the way. Top 10 ranked out of 66,000 companies. Thank you.
Coach, paper trading, $3,000. Scalping. This is amazing. Good training, Coach.
Nice job. Good job. We might have some new... Go ahead.
Sorry. My scalping sounds pale according to his, but I 5x'd my goal, and I'm done for the day.
Nice job.
Learning.
Beautiful. Mark, thank you. Mark, I just messaged you back. Listen, we might have some hot news off the press. Just waiting right now. Here we go. All right, are you guys ready? This is nuts. This is the big one. This is the big kahuna. Starting tomorrow, futures member. Do we have any futures members in here? This is about to get real big.
Bet those cheeks.
This is about to get turned. Starting tomorrow, we will now have futures live Zoom from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every day.
How's that going to work with like TikTok and streaming and stuff? Is that going to be live?
No. This is just training and trading. 8:45. Oh, everything else is normal. So how about a round of applause? I don't have my machine. You guys go ahead and open your mics. Go ahead. We've been trying to get to this point.
Yes. This is awesome, Coach.
Thank you, Coach.
Yep.
Thank you.
It's
good stuff.
Big step for the company, American Dream Trading.
It's huge.
Fantastic.
Now, training and trading those futures every day, 8:45 to 4 o'clock. Special shout out, of course, to Ange, who helped build this whole system and get us where we were going, right? I put her in the hot seat first, and she kicked this whole thing off for months, did a great job. Mark is now, of course, the full-time trainer and trader over there. Special shout out to you. Everybody that's been going over there, Doug, Ralph, everybody that's been pitching in and helping out, right? I told you guys it would come. We just wanted to make sure that everybody was comfortable. Everybody could do the job. Everybody loved doing the job. Otherwise, what are we doing this for, right? Mark, though, came in, took over, just doing a great job. Mark, of course, is finding extreme success. I mean, extreme success in futures. Loving it, doing a wonderful job. So thank you, Mark. He will now be full-time over there. We've been prepping him, training him, getting him ready. He's been crushing it, training people, showing them every day. He used to live in the pre-market all the time. That used to be his baby, all the time in the morning. So we will now have somebody else taking over the pre-market setup. So moderators reach out, otherwise I will assign it to you. But Mark will now be full time over in futures from 8:45 to 4 o'clock. Thank you, Mark. Futures just opened wide up. That's just a huge opening now. And again, if you guys want to be in everything, right? Diamond membership is the way to go. But I'm going to tell you, wait till tomorrow. Don't buy it today. Wait till tomorrow. I got some stupid sales tomorrow. Seriously. So if you're going to buy the diamond so you can be in everything at any time, all the time, wait till tomorrow. It's nutso land what I got coming. All right. Thank you. Mark, do you want to say anything about futures or what's going on, Mark?
Well, I've been with ADT for over 2 years. It's my third year of trading with ADT. I retired from a 9-to-5 job because of ADT. I learned how to trade stocks and stock options, learned how to trade in the pre-market, learned how to scalp, learned how to do all that. And it's changed my life, changed my family's life. And since I've been the face behind the mic, if you want to say, I'm not the only person. It takes a team to run this. Ange and Doug and Ralph and all the other members that's in our group. We have a wide range of experience. Everybody helps out, and we appreciate everybody that does this, especially Ange and Aaron, who built this to start with. They did all the hard back work on it. But I love futures. I just do. It's every year I've increased my income since being with American Dream Trading. And this year I've already exceeded my last 2 years' income combined.
Did you guys catch that?
Join us. Join us. It's another tool in your tool belt. You do need to learn the basics, right? You need to listen to the sound of Coach's voice. Futures is not a to-end-all type of thing. It's just another tool in your tool belt. When you're ready, when you're experienced, listen to the sound of Coach's voice.
And yours.
Training strategies. And all the mods, yes.
That's right.
You'll find out we all say the same because we all learned it from Coach himself. But when you're ready, add that other tool to your tool belt. Come over and check out the futures.
That's awesome.
Let's go.
Yes.
Mark, congratulations, buddy.
Yes.
Yeah. Excited, Mark. Thank you.
So great.
Absolutely awesome.
Thank you, Coach.
That's phenomenal. Absolutely loving that. By the way, did you guys catch what he said? He has made more of this. This is March. January, February, March. 3 months. He's already made more than the last 2 years of his 9-to-5 job. Did anybody catch him sneak that in? Anybody in the room hear that?
Yeah, we did. We did.
I did.
3 months.
Yeah, we did, Coach. Absolutely.
More than 2 years. Yeah, go ahead.
Not to drive the point home, but he made so much money on Friday from his experience with ADT that he actually ordered a new car.
Yeah, that's
for it.
That's awesome.
One day.
Yeah, that's awesome. Oh my God, I couldn't be happier. You guys are doing the work. It's paying off. And I know when I put you guys in these positions, right, it's always like, oh no, and can I, and I don't know, and oh, what do you mean futures, what is that, and here comes a new thing, and oh, what do you mean crypto, and what the hell does that mean, and oh no, and gang, if I didn't have full trust and faith in what we're doing in here, we wouldn't have it. If it didn't make sense for American Dream Trading, we wouldn't do it. I already knew, since I can already teach you guys, right, on everything that we're doing, it completely applies to everything. Our 2-minute EWO indicators, stocks, options, futures, and crypto, it works exactly the same. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't give a shit what you're trading. If it has a chart, you can trade it. We can train you on how to do it. This is what we do at American Dream Trading. All I ask is you come in with an empty cup. Everybody in this room that's finding success, right, they started exactly where you are. First it was, do I trust this? I don't know. Who is this guy? I don't know. Let's see if it even makes sense. What are they doing in there? Are these real? What do you mean people are making millions? Is that legitimate? Is this a real thing? Are you serious? I've never heard of stuff like this. That can't be real. Stick around. Watch, listen, observe, empty cup, journal, follow all the rules. Listen to what we're doing, when we do it, why'd we do it, did it make sense, did it not, right? Stay on target. There is nothing in the world like this at all. I don't care how much real estate you're investing in. I don't give a shit about your Amway. I don't care how much. I don't care if you're the greatest Tupperware salesperson or Avon person in the world. Nothing can compare to what we are doing ever. Now, I would recommend do them all. Be in that Avon and Shackley, and I'm not recommending these things. I'm just saying, I'm all about diversification. Get those rental properties. Invest in your 401ks and your Roth IRAs and your IRAs and your SEPs. I got it. Be in all the things. Diversify all of it. Be in everything. But what I'm telling you is, in here, what I'm training you on, you will never, ever find anything like this again. Ever. I'm not exaggerating. I'm not trying to sell you anything. This community has done more than any community, any YouTuber, anybody that says world's greatest trader. We have beaten all of them across the board consistently every single day. We've been here 2 years and 8 months. 2 years and 8 months, right? We're just getting started. We are literally just getting started. Imagine where we're going to be in 10 years from now. Look how many people we've retired. Look how many millions, hundreds of millions we've made in this room, right? I'm sitting in a truck on a laptop. This community is making more money than anybody you've ever heard of every single day. It's from the training. Doesn't matter where you're at and what systems you're using and the thing. You're getting it at American Dream Trading. I cannot stress that enough. Again, I don't care how many YouTube subscribers they have. I don't care how many little ebooks they wrote. I don't care if they're fake calling themselves the world's greatest traders and all this other BS. We at American Dream Trading create the world's greatest traders. Period, point blank. Nobody comes close. Never have. Probably never will. That's it. Put that on the bowling bag. That's it. There's a reason for it. Come in with an empty cup. Love your faces. It's rock and roll. Appreciate you. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Coach, for creating this community full of great people.
Absolutely.
We have done amazing trades, amazing stuff here.
Thank you all for being here.
That's happened to me. I watched for a long time, and so many people tried to get me to buy their course, $2,500, $1,500. I patiently waited and watched to who was the most trustworthy, who was putting in the most work, and you guys just outshined everybody. So that's where I made my commitment. But trust me, everybody tries to get you to make a commitment with them, but I didn't.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that, Greg, and thank you for being here. That's awesome. Yeah, I mean, everybody's trying to sell you on something. Everybody's trying to like push something. Everybody, listen, that's why we're here all the time. You guys can see it. The proof's in the pudding. How about this? I've been doing this for 2 years and 8 months, and I used to be 16 hours a day, but I'm here every day, all day. Have I ever not answered a single question ever in 2 years, 8 months live, hundreds of thousands of questions? Have I ever not answered a question? Have I ever been wrong on stocks and where they're going and why they're doing what they're doing and when they're doing it? Gang, I would have been found out in an hour if I was full of crap. Am I right?
Yes, Coach.
That's right.
There's
For sure, Coach.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a reason that nobody else does what we do. Nobody's going to go live and leave this microphone open where you guys can literally ask anything you want. Nobody's doing that. Nobody is going to do that. They're going to stay behind the little Discord, type in the little emoji, only answer the things they want. I'm on a hot mic. I have to answer every question all day, every day that's been thrown at me for almost 3 freaking years, and I have never not answered a question ever. It has to tell you. There is nobody's going to BS your way for 3 years live every day. Am I right? It's just not going to happen. It's not going to happen.
Well, not only that, these lives are only showing them the tip of the iceberg.
That's right.
Doug, get ready for mind blown as soon as Coach goes off the live.
Yes.
If you are able to hang around till 4 o'clock, your mind is going to be blown.
Oh, I love it.
With all the other training that you get as you get introduced to the other moderators, just prepare to have information overload.
It is.
You're going to love it.
Absolutely.
Coach Merlin has his hand up.
Yeah, go ahead, Merlin. Appreciate you. Go ahead. Thank you, Richard.
Yep, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, I just wanted to say thanks a lot for opening up that Zoom for the futures training.
Oh, good.
It's awesome. I've been futures training almost since day one. Started with Ange, transitioned over Mark. Now celebrating with Doug and Mark and Ange every single day, and
Love
Ralph
it.
helping out.
Love it.
So excited to have this start at 8:45 a.m.
Yes.
No offense to the regular stock traders, the options traders, but I'm futures all the way. And once we get to that noon time, right, it gets a little bit slow. So I'm excited to be able to do this on a daily basis during the exciting part of the market.
Good.
So thank you so much for getting this done for us.
Absolutely. And I just told you guys, right, we're building it. It will come. You got to be patient. I want to make sure everybody was comfortable. We had the right people in the seats to do the job. That's why we started small, right? So we start really small. We build it up on the back end. We make sure it's all running the way it's supposed to be before we can open it up. Because you guys know here, right, I don't half-ass anything. It needs to be 100%. Once it's 100%, then we can open the gates and make sure it's there and it's legit for everybody and everybody wins. And so this is why we've been kind of doing it in pieces and making sure and doing the things. But we've been running the futures, I want to say 8 or 9 months. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, right? So we've been building it and getting it going, and we've been training 4 hours a day and making it happen. And we were in there every day from noon to 4. Now we're just extending it a couple of hours, but it will be enough to cover the entire market open to close. So the regular market hours, I should say. Just like that, we looked at, well, what times would be the best? Well, listen, most people, and I know people love to trade futures in the after hours, that's great. But most people will be trading futures during regular market hours because the cost of entry, the intraday margins are so much lower. Most people don't have $12,000 to buy a ME, to buy an ES, but they do have the $900. There's a completely different change, and that is why our futures is running the same time as stocks and options. So every time when we do something, I've always put a lot of thought, process, what we're going to do, how it's going to affect us, and what's going to make the most sense. So thank you everybody for being patient. Don't worry, it's coming with crypto too, right? This is the goal, this is the dream, these are our passions. We have to build each one of these up and make sure they're all legit. By the way, that's why you guys can buy crypto for $500, right? You're not going to get that once the machine is turned on. It's going to be $250 a month minimum, right? So it's $500 for the whole year right now. This is why I said, get those diamonds if you're able to. If not, don't worry. But if you get the diamond membership, you guys can have it all. Now remember, chats and all the things, there's going to be a lot of things that'll be moving. There's futures VIP, and futures VIP gold coming. It will. But don't worry, right now, we're just throwing it all in there. It's the kitchen sink, everything, just to get you guys comfortable, see what's going on. But I'm telling you, that's why every new service that we've added, I said, this is not permanent. We are just testing it out. I'm telling you again, get the diamond membership. That's about a $50,000 value if you bought all of the lifetime memberships as an individual 5K each. It's a minimum of $50,000 value, and tomorrow I'm running a nutso sale with payment plans. You guys, it's going to open the door to a lot of people. Everybody who's been waiting, this is it. The sale is coming tomorrow. It's going to be all sorts of amazing. Oh, TradingView 3.0. Those of you that love the TradingView indicators, we have been working diligently, and I mean every single day for months, to bring you the latest TradingView indicator. It's coming. We're almost ready to publish this. You guys are absolutely going to love. You liked the TradingView 2.0 that we released? Wait till you see 3. This thing is crazy, right? It's next level. So anyways, appreciate you guys. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up for one of our memberships today. If you guys are interested in one of the memberships listed that you do not see on the webpage, go to the bottom. It says click here for other products and services, and it will list everything we have. All right, Richard, you got your hand up. Go ahead. Thank you for being so patient.
No problem. With the future starting tomorrow, which is exciting news, I'm willing to step up if he's having a pre-market to do the pre-market for the stocks.
Yes.
I would appreciate you being there to see if I'm too tight or
too
loose initially,
for sure.
But
yep,
I will step up and I can do that.
awesome. I appreciate that. Yeah,
That's it.
Yep, thank you very much. That's awesome. Yeah, I'll be in there with the next couple of days, and we'll do it together. How's that?
Sounds great.
Yep. Awesome. Yeah, very cool. All right.
New IPO for today. Newsmax. NMAX is live now.
Oh, thank you, NMAX partner.
Yes.
Yep.
NMAX.
Got it. Everybody, Newsmax, brand new IPO, hot off the press. That is NMAX, is an X-ray. So it's Newsmax Inc. is live now. IPO, just IPO'd. Remember, if you're new to IPOs or higher risky and volatile stocks, don't touch this. If you already know how to handle IPOs, hot stock picks, volatile stocks, you're good to go because you know how to handle stops. Everybody else, don't touch it. It's dangerous, right? Thank you.
And ICCT new high.
Oh my gosh.
334%.
Yes, ICCT. Thank you. And speaking of the original, one of our original founders over there, right? I threw her in a hot seat. She still probably loves me every day for that, for futures. But here she is. She's got her hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I made note of this back in the fall when we started futures. October 10th, we went live with Zoom training.
Okay.
And October 23rd, we went live on social media.
Nice. So
and I'm up 20% on total account today.
Oh, wow. Thank you. So it's been 5 months. So kicked it off. Okay. 5 months. So that's pretty good. Nice job. Did you say how much today? What the frick?
I'm up 20% on total account.
Oh my gosh.
Just a little bit ago.
Oh my.
Way to go.
Wow.
2-minute EWO.
2-minute EWO. I love it. Now, Ange, how long did you fight me on that 2-minute EWO?
Stop it.
She was fighting me tooth and nail. She was not having it. She's like, I'm loving it. Now listen, she was an amazing scalper, so she was making all her money scalping. So I don't blame her. Listen, if you guys find something that works for you, seriously, stay with it, man. That's awesome, right? You don't need to worry about, learning 87 million different things. Just stick with the one that works. And it was working for her, so that's why I didn't blame her. Like, hey, if it works, great. But I knew in the back of her mind, like, hey, what is this? Is it really good? And I've been saying it every day. Every day. It's just, it's a different kind of trading. It's, get in, let it work its magic, move a couple stops, shed when you need to, leave it alone. It's such a more relaxed style of trading, as I'm sure you're finding, right? You just, you get in at that great, you get in at the best entry point you can. That's the whole design of this, by the way, is to get into the entry of the trade. Then once you've managed it enough where it's just running on its own, you just kind of water the trade, right? Take it out, put some in, right? Shed a little bit here. Ooh, I can add a little bit here. Might move my stop a little bit more, let it go, leave it alone, get my coffee, awesome, do its little thing, it's such a different thing. It's not, oh, I'm in, I'm out, I'm in, I'm out, oh, I'm in, oh, I'm out, I'm in, I'm out, oh, wait a minute, oh, crap, oh, I'm in, I'm out. It's not that. It's like, put them in there, manage it in the beginning, oh, it's off and running. Look at Apple, right? If you're in the 2-minute EWO, you're just like, let it. Yeah, you're like.
You're describing our app.
Yep. You're just like, just let it go, leave it alone. Don't have to dink around. Just take a couple off. Yay, I'm in the green. Made more money than I ever had before. Let it go. Take a couple more off. That's awesome. I'm up 60%. Take a couple more off. Yay, I'm at 85%. I've never seen so much money in my life. Boom, I'll take one more off. Let the runner go. There it goes, 120%. This is awesome. Let me get another coffee. And I'm out.
A heck of a manicure.
That's what it is. Yeah, heck of a manicure. That's awesome. But you guys, you know what I mean? It's different. It's just different. And then I show you guys all these different ways. And then you guys will start making all this money. Well, guess what? All of you moderators that are making millions of dollars, now you guys will start to use my wheel option strategy, right? This is how you guys will grow from millions to tens to hundreds of millions, is using the other strategies, right? So little pieces, little bits of here and here. Get in my mentorship. Listen to what I'm doing in there. I will take you from, right, millions to tens of millions to hundreds of millions, doing the larger type stuff and working with 401ks and IRAs and how do I grow those and different strategies for that. So you might start from as a scalper or a 2-minute EWO, which I'll turn you into eventually like longer trades, you know, throughout the day. You'll take all that money and then I'll turn it into longer trades that are swing tradings, right? 3 months, 6 months, year, 2 years, and then I'll go from that, right? So we should be constantly evolving. And I tell everybody in the room, your trading style will change. I'm serious. You've seen it with everybody in the room. You will get into something good, you'll master it, you'll get tons of money, your trading style will change. You'll get into something good, you'll master it, you'll make more money, your trading style will change. It will always do this. Forever. This is why you can never stop learning, right? Think about it. If Ange had done all the scalping and all the things and she's like, that's it, I'm done, I don't need to educate myself anymore, I've learned all I need from that old man, disappears, she would have never got this part. And then when she gets done with this part, she would have never got the next part, which will take her from the millions to the tens and hundreds of millions, right? So it comes in these phases. You should never stop being a student. I'm not. I mean, I don't have like mentors. I can't, you know, as far as like stock market education, there's nobody I can watch and like get the things from, but I'm always trying to see if there's something else. All they're doing is taking everything I've learned and they just package it. Orb. Okay, right? Liquidity. They're just going to take everything I train and do and they just try to package it and call it something for the next generation. That's all that's happening. That's all that's happening. It's all the same. There is no like I can't go to someone else and be like, show me. But hey, I'm always learning. News catalysts are different. How we handle the news is different. There's always something different that comes around the bend. Next thing's going to be robots, right? There's always something that's going to change the landscape forever, which in turn could change the way that we trade forever, right? So always be looking, always be learning, always stay a student, always try to get more and more and more, always try to better yourself every day. So that's all I ask. You guys can see it. Dreams are coming true. People are able to do what they're able to do because of the room and because of the training, because hey, Wade just posted the website. Wait. Yeah. So Wade, the Discord website came up, but not the Gleam. Gleam must have a thing, that giveaway. Probably spam across the board.
Coach.
Yeah.
I sent it over to her and she was able to post it. I can see it, but I don't know if you can.
Yeah, you know what you guys could try doing? Take that giveaway link and go to like Shortly or Linkly or, you know, one of those shortened websites, because that gleam.io might be, because it's spammy in nature, that might be blocked, but you guys might be able to shorten that link and post it, because it'll be a different domain name once you shorten a link. Okay, try it out. All right, listen, Apple, how we doing, Apple gang? Speaking of Apple 2-minute EWO, how we doing over there, David?
Just shaved another runner, and my runners are at 33%.
Nice.
And I've locked in over about 1,800 for the day.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Now, David, not to put you on the spot, but I'm going to. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
When is the last time you've had a red day, or do you not even know? I know it's
been over 6 months. But don't take it wrong. I post when I take losing hits in here. I posted when I took a hit the other morning. I posted when I took a trade the other morning, and it just went against me. So I know it happens.
Yep, it does. It does. But I need you guys to understand, right? There will be losing trades, but I'm talking about his day. So his P&L, I need you to understand this. His P&L, he has not taken a red day. He's not lost one penny, not a cent in a single trading day session in over 6 months. Does everybody hear the sound of my voice?
And it gets posted every day.
Every day, yeah. The P&L, the receipts. We come with receipts, baby. And he's doing the 2-minute EWO, and he's training you every day over in a live Apple chat. By the way, does anybody else know of any other trader, I'll just say in history, that has ever had 6 months, not a red day ever? I've never seen it in my life. I've been doing this 33 years. I've never seen anybody post 6 months straight without a red day ever. Anybody? Ever?
Oh.
Never. Never heard of it.
No.
David, just so you know, you get a badge for the world's most consistent trader ever. Ever.
One, it's following the base rules. So if I position my size correctly throughout the day,
yep,
I know that I have multiple times to take a trade. So if my first one goes bad against me, no big deal. I have other trades I can take. And so what is everybody's bad habit? I talk about it all the time in the one-on-ones and when we're in the Zoom, that everybody's bad habit is if you take a loss, automatically everybody wants to go in larger the next time they take a trade.
Right.
Because they want to
make it back. Yeah, make it back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the rules tell us to always keep in mind the percentages, make sure that we're playing within our mean. Don't over leverage. Don't use up all your money in one trade that's going to knock you down for the day, because we can't guarantee that our first trade of the day is going to go good for us.
That's right. Absolutely.
And I can speak to it because I did this for the first probably 4 months in the group. I was killing myself. I was like, man, I had money, and then I took another trade and I went down, and I could have just walked away. I should have done this. I should have done that. And writing those notes in the journal every day was kicking myself in the ass.
Yep.
To really follow the rules. And it kind of, like Coach and everybody else says it, that it clicks. Like it just kind of settles down, and it kind of like opens things up. And for me, I said it and we joke about it, but things slow down because you're actually processing the information and not overwhelmed by the information.
That's correct. Yeah, and it's just slowing it down, being more simplistic in what we're doing, not over analyzing everything, doing the trade, following the strategies, making sure the rules are in place. And here's what's cool. You will see so many traders, especially on like X, they will post like all these little $45, and listen, nothing wrong with it, but $45 would be a single trade, and they're like, boom, I'm green 90%, right? They'll be like, I'm a 90% successful trader. David over here is doing $1,500 to $5,000 a day, every day on average. Literally every day on average is $1,500 to $5,000 every single day. Am I right, David?
Yes, sir. So I had one of my top 3 days on Friday.
Yeah, absolutely. And what can you say what it was?
I believe it was around 6,000, something like that.
That's awesome.
I need to check.
That is awesome. It's just consistency over time, compounding the fact and doing it consistently over and over and over and over. It's where the magic happens, baby. I'm telling you, be consistent. That's what you want. Apple continuing to climb. Just stay consistent. Stay in it. Stay after this, gang. Stop giving up. Keep going. Yeah, I already told you. David is on track. I already told you, right? David is on track to do $350,000 to $1 million this year. Literally on track to do $350,000 to $1 million this year. Am I right, David?
Yes, sir. And then on top of that, I also use your training on the Yield Max, and so that's another way that I've already branched out myself. And then since I've been trading with you and learned the rules that I should know on swing trading, I have been doing some swing trading in the background. That's why I've done some of the workshop classes on swing trading. So I'm branching myself out, just like what you were explaining about 5 minutes ago. Is I branched out to certain things that are helping me out, because now, of course, I have a little bit of budget that I can set aside to do different versions of trading.
Yeah, that's phenomenal. Sorry, my wife came over here to give me smoochy smooch. She can't keep her hands off me, for God's sakes. But great job. Great job, though, man. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, that's why I said, right, you guys can apply what we're doing, turn them into all the other different rules and strategies, and move to the next phase. Bam! I love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Max halted. And Max halted to upside.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Yep.
It's approaching $24, Coach.
Oh my gosh. Who got in that, by the way, when one of our
right here.
members?
Right
I was in that.
Yes.
Stopped out.
Got in at $16 out of 23.
Nice job.
I'm in there.
Wow. Good job, everybody.
Oh, isn't that one of our paid member benefits? The IPO core?
You betcha. You betcha. And that was posted in there, wasn't it?
Good job, Callie.
Yes, Callie.
Thanks to Callie.
Woo!
Love you, Cal.
Now, see, listen, if you guys were a paid member or a VIP member, right, in our paid memberships for stocks and options, you already knew this was coming. You were already set up for success. We already posted that this one was coming. We already knew before it happened. It's beautiful. Nice job. Okay, listen, I'm going to wrap it up. It is now 11:09. I appreciate you all being here. Another amazing success.
Yes, sir.
Yes, love your work.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, yes. Thank you to the EW2. It was great.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, buddy, baby.
Making money in crypto.
Good job. Proud of you guys. Nice work. Keep after it.
Coach, I took this double bottom earlier on the SPY and let it run up. And so far, I got out at the top because I see there's a gap. And I watched this video of yours the other night. That's where I learned this from, this strategy. And it just played out. And my account total right now is $550 for the day. And I only paid $125 to join your membership. And I think I'm going to walk away now.
That's awesome. Congratulations. Did everybody catch that? 125 membership. He's up over what? 550 for the day. Nice job.
I'm going to go to the gym now and get some lunch.
Yeah, and spend the rest of your
I was
day.
about to say you're walking away from the trade, right?
Yes, yes.
For the day,
yeah, for the
like
day.
Not taking the money and running.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Good job. Good job.
Way to go, dude.
Way to go,
Are you
Greg.
kidding me? He's hooked now.
Yeah, good job, Greg.
Thank you so much. I'm ready to upgrade already.
There you go. There you
Do
go.
it.
Good job,
Race
Greg.
sets every day.
Proud of you, man. I love it.
Newsmax unhalted to the downside.
Thank you. Can you guys, that's just awesome, right? Come in, he was learning, he watched from the sidelines, he got into the group, costed him $125. He's up over $550, right? Now, I ain't no math wizard, but that just today, and it's 11.
He forexed his money, Coach.
Yeah, and think about this, right? So it's 11 o'clock. So in an hour and 40 minutes, he just paid for 4 months of training with me. Right? That's 4 months of training with me. He just made in an hour and 40 minutes. 4 months. Don't say this is expensive. You're looking at it the wrong way, right? What can this do to your life? That's how you need to be thinking about it. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Sign up today. You don't have to buy a membership. If you're not ready for that, don't even worry about it. But at least get started. Go to the website, join the Discord. What's going on? Go to the free area, get all the education, all the things that we've got in the education area, flashcards, games, terminology, ebooks, how-to videos. Get over there. Get started today. Don't wait. Seriously, you don't have to buy anything. Just go over there. Start to train. Get comfortable. See what we're all about. See if it makes sense. See if we are the right community for you. For not, that's okay, right? We hope to cater to everybody, all walks of life, right? That's the beauty of what we're doing. I literally, I came from dirt floor poor to, obviously not. But I'm saying it doesn't matter. All walks of life. Educated, not educated.
Besides, Coach, who else is giving away $1,000 just for GP? Come on.
Yes.
Come on.
Yes.
He's giving $1,000. All he's asking you to do is post the links on social media. And he's going to give away some lucky person $1,000.
Cash.
That's insane.
Cash.
So this is a family. Coach is the best trainer out there. And you're home. And Greg, kick ass, buddy.
Yes, that's awesome. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Real quick, I want to thank all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. By the way, my son is coming up on his 9th year in the Air Force now. We were talking about it last night. They came over for dinner. He's coming up on 9 years, I think, like April 9th or something. 9 freaking years, right? It's absolutely, it's awesome. So let me mute all these. So thank you to my son as well. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. All right, real quick. Of course, I want to. Yeah, it was. You know what I think that was?
What?
I think somebody had Taco.
Rex?
I think somebody had Taco Bell, and that was the bean burrito talking.
I haven't had Taco Bell in 10 years, baby.
The look on your face was like, okay.
A little bit.
We'll run with that.
That was a little bit of
I'm
duty.
sorry, that comes for me later.
Yeah, a little bit of duty came out right there. Everybody be cool. Okay, listen. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris. Still doing it. David, Doug, Eric's Moto.
Trying.
Yeah, trying. Dawn, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Nick, Palm Coast, Richard, and Unhappily a Housewife. Thank you, of course, to Mountain Man, Diesel Dan, and Gilly. Thank you, guys. I appreciate all of you, everybody that's been tuning in. Remember, tomorrow's when we go crazy, okay? Tomorrow we are going to go crazy. We're going to be everywhere, all the time, on all the things. Tomorrow, Futures, we're going to be live from 8:45. Not live for you guys, I'm sorry. Tomorrow from 8:45 to 4, we will be doing training for all Futures members. So a lot of new things. Trading View Indicators 3 coming out. You guys can get that with the VIP, the Diamond membership, crypto, and also the Futures membership. Right now, that is included. We've included it in it for now, but right now, you guys can get all of the stuff. All these goodies are all in there. I appreciate everybody being here. This is the last normal day until I go crazy. I'm telling you, we are going to go on a marketing blitz. I'm going to be all over the place. I already told my wife, you're not going to see me for the next 2 months. Probably why she's coming up here trying to sneak some smooches from me. Not going to see her for 2 months. We're going to go crazy. We're going to be everywhere you want to be. We're going to be on all the channels all the time, do the things. Don't forget, $1,000 giveaway. Go to the Discord. It's going to be over on the stock channel. $1,000 giveaway. Free. You don't need to buy nothing. Free. We're just doing it as a thank you to all of you for making us your